The next thing I'm going to show you how to do is to customize your background. And there are several different ways you can do this. So click on the word background, and when you toggle over it, you see that it says change background, which is what we want to do. You can change the color of your background. Be mindful of the font color, but I might decide that I would like a lighter blue background because I'm not crazy about the dark one. I select the color, click done, and it changes the color of the background of your slide. You can also, when you click on color, if you see up here it says solid and says gradient. If you click on gradient, it gives you some, do you see how it's lighter here and it gets darker in the edges? You can do all sorts of different things. You can also insert an image. So if you choose here, now I already did a search on bikes because my book was called The Girl on the Bicycle, and I thought, I might want to put a bike as the background image to my slideshow. And I went through, and I think this bike looks similar to the one that's in my book. So I went ahead and click on this one, and then I'm going to hit select. And then I'm going to hit done, and it adds it to my slide. Now, did you notice that whenever I added that picture to my slide, I love the way that looks, but now look at my font. It's very hard to read on this light colored background. So I think I'm going to select my font, and I'm going to change this to black because I think the black shows up very well. And I love the way this slide looks now. Remember, whenever you change your background, you're probably going to have to change your font. If I had left my font white, it wouldn't have shown up at all on this white background. It would look like I didn't have a title on here. So be very careful when you're changing your backgrounds, but that's all there is to it. So you are free to personalize your presentation as you wish.